Hello and welcome to another Purveyor of Light Lightroom Quick Tip. Today we're going to cover identity plates, sometimes referred to as vanity plates. If you're familiar with cars' license plates and vanity plates, then you have the concept already down. If you look here in the upper left on Lightroom Classic, you have Adobe Photoshop Lightroom Classic. Not very exciting, not very professional, especially if you use Lightroom to show your clients, models, so forth, to review your library. Wouldn't it be nice to have it customized with your identity plate so that you look more professional, right? And heck, if you're not even a professional, why not? Why not customize it to your liking, okay? All right, so to do this, very easy. Go up to Lightroom Classic on the menu, and then right there is Identity Plates. Okay, so we're going to go right into Identity Plate Setup, and you have a choice. Okay, you could use text-based or graphic-based identity plates. So we're going to pull down on the Classic, and we can turn around and then go to Personalized. Okay, and right off the bat, it's going to give you the choice of text or graphical. Okay, totally what you want to do. You have the text here. You could type in and change it, and you can change the fonts. If you want to take the fonts down, okay, and it gives you the display up there. Okay, so text is very straightforward. Now, there is a limitation on the graphical side, okay? So let me call that up real quick. Okay, from Adobe, they put a restriction on the graphical identity plate, okay? And they just say that if you're on a Mac, you can't have a graphic any more than 41 pixels high, okay? That's the height of it. And if you're on a Windows machine, your graphic cannot be any more than 46 pixels high. Okay? You're not restricted by length, you're restricted by height only. Okay? So just remember that. Now, what I recommend, if you're going to use a graphical plate, okay, use and save it as a PNG. Okay? PNG, okay, is the only one that's going to offer you transparency. Okay? So I highly recommend saving your graphic in PNG. All right. So how do we change to graphical? We just simply hit graphical plate, and now we just drag or place, okay, my graphic that I want to use as my identity plate. So I could come up and look, and I could drag one. There's my identity plate for this. And boom, there it is. It shows you right here in the upper left. And now I have that there. Okay? And that's as easy as it is. Nothing to it. So if you want to use text, you're free to do that, or even a graphical. And this way, when you're showing pictures to whether your clients or your models or whatever, it makes things more professional. Okay? So, and we all want to look professional. So, there you go. Quick, easy, easy to do. All right? All right, guys. Till next week, you guys take care.